5, 6, 7, 4, 5, 3, 4, 3, 4, 2.
مفتوح للاجتهادات التقليد. هذا حد العالم، هذا طالب، هذا راسخ والى اخره.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. To all the RipRight Hadith disciples, YouTubers, and viewers, welcome back to a new video on RipRight HD. So y'all already know, me and my wife, we out here. I just did my reps. So she like, nah, I need mine too. And she throwing snow at me. Yo, so she want to get her reps in. So I'm putting her through a crucial set, y'all. Stay tuned, stay ripped. You know what it is, 10 burpees, 5 pull-ups, 5 dips, 10 push-ups, 20 squats. We're gonna go for 3 circuits. This circuit is usually 10 circuits, non-stop. Okay, guys, so you could... I
said 5 already. What you talking about?
Yeah, that wasn't in the house, though. And that was last week.
You're wicked, yo.
Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's go. Give me it. Five pull-ups. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go. 5. Yep, 5 dips. The higher bar. That bar's uneven. And it's too wide. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's go. 10 push-ups. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3. Don't come all the way up. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, money. 10 burpees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Get that money. All right, guys, this is definitely a good set. If you want to burn fat, do your burpees on the floor and your push-ups on the floor. It intensifies, but because of the snow, it's definitely a tough one. So we're just using the bars right now. Let's get it. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Almost down to the last set. Push-ups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. No squats.
Oh.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's go. Burpees. No jump.
No jump?
No jump. Just the burpees. 1 push-up with it.
1 push-up?
Yep. 1 push-up. Up, back up.
Don't
Stand up, stand up. No jump. Now down. Let's get it. 2. Let's go. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. Good money. Fall season, y'all. Let's go. It's coming down.
Oh, this is beautiful.
5 pull-ups.
You gotta say that, right?
Let's get it.
5 pull-ups. 5 pull-ups. Let's go.
1, 2, 3. Okay, that's the first set she broke on here. 3rd set. Let's go.
Can't feel my hands.
Yeah, the faster you finish. Eat. 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 1. 1. That's money. Let's go.
This is the last one, right?
Last set.
No, I did.
Last set. 10 push-ups, 20 squats. Total. Finish. Complete. Let's get it. 5. 1. 2. 3. 4. Good, you're doing good. 4. 5. You only broke on the pull-ups. I thought you was about to break on that. MashaAllah. 10 push-ups, 20 squats. Game time. 5. 6. 7. 3 more. 8. 9. 10. 20 squats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. No jumping. 4, 3, 2. Good money. Let's go. Good set, y'all. Stay tuned. Y'all stay ripped. Quick fat burning set. Anybody could do. If you have to modify your push-ups, your dips, and your pull-ups to Australian pull-ups, then get with it.
Babe, I can't see my hair.
Indeed, in the body, literal translation is a piece of meat. إذا صلحت صلح الجسد كله. And when that lump of flesh